Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you get to access to replace the daytime running light as well as the blinker and side marker light, or the front blinker and side marker light. So the daytime running light and this one, you got to remove a cover plate on the bottom. So you would raise your car up and support it with jack stands, and then remove a plastic cover plate on the bottom, and then you can easily reach up in and remove the two light bulbs to be able to replace them. You could potentially do it from the fender well, the steering wheel all turned, just remove some things and reach in there. There's an array of push pins around the front and over here. We got one more push pin back here. Like I said, all the way around the front, this side, more on this side. So either a small screwdriver or a good pick tool is what I like to use to be able to get these push pins out. So then when we've got all those push pins removed, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on the front here, and there's 3 bolts on the back to remove. So with those all removed, you're able to drop this down and set it aside. This is the daytime running light, and so turn that to an anti-clockwise. And then remove, push in, twist out, and this is a P21W is the light bulb that you would get to replace this light. And it can go in either way because it's just a standard light bulb. It's not a double element. Then you would just take the new one, put it back in. Just get it in the groove there, and then turn it to the clockwise to put it back in place. So that's how you replace your daytime running light on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.